Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to open a high-yield savings account, HYSA, with Wealthfront. If you're looking to grow your savings faster than a traditional bank account, this is a game changer. Wealthfront is an online platform that offers competitive interest rates and easy management, perfect for beginners and pros alike. First off, why choose Wealthfront? It's user-friendly, FDIC insured up to $250,000, and often boasts APYs that beat big banks. Plus, it automates your investments for maximum returns. Let's get into the steps. Step 1. Head over to the Wealthfront website or download their app from your phone's app store. You'll need to create an account if you don't have one. Just click on Sign Up and enter your email, create a password, and verify your details. Step 2. Once logged in, navigate to the HYSA section. You'll be prompted to provide some personal information, like your social security number, for identity verification. This is standard and helps keep your account secure. Don't skip it. Step 3. Link your bank account. Wealthfront will ask you to connect an external bank account for funding. Follow the instructions to add your bank's details. It usually involves micro deposits for verification, which takes a day or two. Step 4. Fund your HYSA. After verification, deposit money via a CH transfer, wire, or even directly from your linked account. Start with as little as $1 to get going. Step 5. Sit back and watch it grow. Wealthfront automatically manages your funds to earn the best rates. Remember to monitor your account periodically and set up alerts for transactions. Before you wrap up, consider the pros. Higher yields mean more earnings, and it's all digital for easy access. But keep in mind, rates can fluctuate with the market. If you're new to investing, this is a low-risk way to dip your toes in. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Let's build that wealth together. See you next time.